tech friends, this is the one only Tech Boss. Today I have the Samsung Galaxy S10 here and the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, which is right there, as you can see. S10, S10 Plus. Right, we're gonna unbox these, and yeah, I mean, I've already unboxed this one. As you can see, it doesn't have the seal on it, but yeah, I couldn't wait. I was just too excited. We've got two phones. This is the first time we've ever had this in the channel, having the S10 and the S10 Plus. Let's unbox both of them and see what's in the box. So yeah, this one I have to fold my sleeves then. I have to fold my sleeves very well. So, right, I'm gonna unbox the S10 Plus because it's more of a premium phone than the S10, because it's an S10, this is a Plus, you know what I mean? And because I've unboxed that one already, so I wanna unbox, I want to basically bring the experience of unboxing this with you guys. So I'm gonna rip this. There we go. Boom. Boom. That was a perfect cut. Look at that. Look how square that is. Perfect cut. Anyway, right. I might be switching to this from my Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, which is what I'm recording with right there. Camera's sick on the phone, but yeah, let's open this. I haven't seen what's in here yet. I haven't seen what's in here, so let's have a look and see. Oh wow, yeah. It's a bit odd, by the way. We've got the manuals inside the box, like laid inside, and not on top like you normally do with the other generations of the Samsung products. I've got both of them in the green color. Let me just move this so you guys can see. But yeah, got the green color there for the S10 Plus, and obviously we got the green color as well for the S10. Wow, both colors look absolutely amazing. Look at that, absolutely amazing. Wow, it feels so nice in my hands. Like, this one feels a little bit smaller, this one feels big, but I mean, it's good, it's good. But let's put these aside at the moment because we need to see what's in the box. So basically, exactly the same thing that's in here, that's exactly what's going to be in here. Obviously you get the fast charging brick, which is right there, nice to see, where you charge your phone speedily and quickly. Then you get your ear tips right there. Nothing special, just to fit your comfort, you know how it is. And then you get your little adapter from USB-C to your normal USB plug, whatever you want to call it. Just so if you want to watch movies from a pen drive or USB cable, you can watch it straight on the device. If you put videos or your music or whatever on your whatever it's called, on your dongle thing. I mean, dongle, like, who uses that nowadays? No one. I don't even use a dongle. But yeah, in here we just have we have just a charging cable, just to charge your phone up, USB-C as well again here, to your normal standard USB cable there. And then we got the USB-C to the USB mini, whatever you want to call it, micro USB thing, whatever you call it. I don't use any of this stuff, you know. Then we got the headphones, which are here. Yeah, I just noticed Samsung is actually going with a white theme. Actually, used to be the black theme, but they're going for the white theme for the S10 and S10 Plus, which is pretty cool. But yeah, we have the braided cable again, which was used on the S8 and the S9, which is pretty cool. But like I said when I did the unboxing on the S8 the S8 Plus and the S8, that I would have loved it if they braided the whole thing. So basically, only this piece here is braided, as you can see. And not this bit here, this side here is not braided. I would have loved it if the whole thing was braided. It would have been so much better. But yeah, it's white. White gets dirtier a lot, so I probably will not be using any of these at all. I'll just keep it for spare. You know, let's bring the phones over here Yeah, also I'm a black dude, which means I have to use everything black because it's just, yeah, you don't really want to be a black guy running around with something white, can do. But let me just show you what's in these inside here quickly. I know you guys are here to see the phone, but bear with me, eh? I want to show you what's in the box first, and then we'll see. This is for a big box to put the quick start guide and stuff. Yeah, what's this? It just tells you gives you some information about how to transfer your file from your old phone to obviously to your new phone. Then you got the warranty card. Then you got the quick start guide, which tells you how to operate the phone and all that good shizzle nizzle, buzz. What can I say? Like, they look absolutely amazing. Let me just power this up real quick and see what's what. As you can see, the S10 is powered up. S10 Plus is powered up as well. So we're just gonna wait for that to boot up. But yeah. I mean, feeling it in my hands, it just feels natural. I mean, the Samsung Galaxy S10 doesn't really feel as natural because it's a lot smaller. The reason I like this, just the Samsung Galaxy series, not the S series, but just the Galaxy series, because they're so small. And I noticed with the S8 Plus, no, just the normal S8, when I did a video on it, when I held it, it felt natural. It felt like it needed to be there because it just felt small and it just felt like something cute, like something petite, like it just felt really nice. But obviously I've got bigger hands, so I have to use the S10 Plus, but it still feels good, it still feels natural because I'm used to using the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. So yeah, it's about the same size, so it feels natural in my hand. It just sits on my hands very, very comfortably like the S8 Plus would. But the thing that I really don't like about the phones is that, see the edges on the top here, they're not as curved as the S8 Plus. I would have loved them to be a lot more curved, but I mean, we don't have any input on what Samsung designs, do we? But we just get the phone and we just get what we get, isn't it? But yeah, let me go ahead and set these two phones up real quick so I can show you what we're going to be getting from the Samsung Galaxy S10. And also I know it's got a nice iOS, not iOS, what am I speaking about, iPhone, I hate iPhones. But yeah, we're going to be, it's got a new display, a new kind of feel to it, a new kind of vibe to the phone, which is pretty damn cool. So I'm just going to set it all up and show you what to expect basically. But anyway, let's try out this fingerprint reader. Fingerprint apparently is sick. It's underneath the display, which I think is pretty damn cool. This one I'm not really gonna set my fingerprint, so I'll just be not now. So this is how it comes up with when you want to set up your fingerprint. This is what you're gonna receive. You just touch, get it to register your fingers or your fingerprint. It's pretty cool. It's very quick as well. It's very sharp as well. It picks up your finger pretty damn quick as well. There, it's done. Right, so I've currently finished setting up the devices and they're going absolutely mental. They're making they're making loads of sounds that I don't really understand. But yeah, it's just a beautiful device to have a look at. Look at that. It's just absolutely beautiful. I mean you can't really argue with it. But I did notice something about the phone when I was staring it up. I don't know if it's the brightness or something about the phone. Let me just turn up the brightness fully and have a look. I don't know, but I feel like the white on the S10 Plus is a lot more better than the whites on the Samsung Galaxy S10. As you can see, this is a lot more brighter than this one. It's barely noticeable. It's not that noticeable, but you do get, it does look a lot brighter. Or is it just me? Nah, definitely S10 Plus looks a lot brighter than the S10, which is it's not really a big deal, but yeah, guys, that is the phone there for you guys. It's pretty damn. I mean, the screen is just absolutely stunning. Have a look at that, absolutely stunning. Well, yeah, that's what to expect when you get one of these phones. They just look absolutely cool. Like I can't feel it in any way. It's just a pretty damn cool device to get. If you got the money, I say just make the purchase. It feels so nice in the hands. It's slim, slick, smooth. It's just everything you want from a Galaxy display. But yeah, I don't know what Samsung is going to be doing next. If they've actually designed a phone like this, which looks absolutely beautiful, like what else have they got up their sleeve? What else are they going to design? But yeah, one thing to notice to you guys, that these lock button are they're just not in the right place at all. They're in the worst place ever. They're just too high where they are. The Samsung Galaxy S8 and S9 is literally on the side of your finger, but this one you have to stretch out. And for the bigger phone, you have to even stretch out even more, which is not very comfortable, because if you try and do that, you might drop the phone or something like that, and yeah, it's going to be a lot of money to fix it. But yeah, guys, I'm going to stop blabbing on. That is the phone. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video. Also, don't forget to share the video. Comment down below. Tell me if you like the video. Tell me what kind of videos you want to see with these phones. Tell me if you want to see a camera test or a battery life test. I've got a few tests up my sleeves which I'll be making videos on. But you tell me what you want to see on these phones. But yeah, it's a sick phone. Can't wait to actually start using it. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching the video. Like I said, I think that's it. I think I've really you guys in about everything. But yeah, peace out. Boom.